Hi everyone, welcome to JK Asamoah. Over here we solve problem through technology. So do you know that with the help of artificial intelligence, you can solve most of your exams questions, assignments and exercise as well. So if you don't know, let me quickly show you what to do. So before I proceed, let me show you the work I did. So you can see this is the what exercise they gave to us for us to solve. Now I have done with what my calculation, as you can see it over here. Good, everything is intact. Now let me show you what artificial intelligence can also do. Here we are going to use chat GPT. So if you don't have chat GPT, just go to Play Store or App Store and then what search for chat GPT. So basically this is my Play Store. You just search for chat GPT and then you will get it straightforward. So basically this is it. I haven't even updated mine, but let's proceed with this tutorial. So open the chat GPT and then from the fresh interface, as you can see, they have a lot of things over here. So when you click on this, we have the camera button, file button, and then another file. So you can use this to what import the pictures that you can even take a snapshot of the question and then send it and give it a command for it to do it for you. So basically I'll go with the what the middle one, as you can see it over here. So I will just click on it since I have the question over here. Now this is the question, I'm uploading it. Okay, this is the question. Okay, now after that, what should I do? I just need to command it. So I'll just type something like solve this. That's all. Let's just wait for the magic. Okay, just wait for the magic. Within seconds, artificial intelligence is going to do the whole work for you. As you can see, they are now trying to tell you how you go about everything, what you're supposed to do and how you do everything. So you can see basically if you compare this table, okay, this table here with mine, you realize that they are hot the same. If you compare the table with mine, you realize that they are hot the same. If you look at the percentage wise and others, you realize that everything is what intact. That is what artificial intelligence can do. So if you don't know this, I think this might be of help to you. And please, this video is for educational purpose. So if you find this video attractive, don't forget to subscribe, follow and share so that we can give you more amazing content